projects. In this video, we are going to explain about a project titled Hybrid Recommender System for Tourism based on Big Data and AI, a conceptual framework. So now coming to the introduction part, the hybrid recommender system for tourism based on big data and AI promises to enhance the overall travel experience for tourists by providing them with tailored and relevant recommendations. By leveraging the power of big data and AI, this conceptual framework has the potential to transform the tourism industry, facilitating more informed travel decisions and enriching travelers' journey with unforgettable experiences. The heart of the framework lies in its AI-driven algorithms, which serve as the brain behind the recommendation engine. This AI algorithm employ various techniques such as collaborative filtering, content-based filtering, and matrix factorization to create a hybrid approach that combines the strengths of different recommendation systems. So now coming to the objective part for this project is to elevate the travel experience for tourists by offering personalized, relevant, and up-to-date recommendations. By leveraging the potential of big data and AI, the framework has the potential to transform the tourism industry, empowering travelers to make informed and satisfying travel decisions. It fosters a more enjoyable and memorable travel experience while also benefiting tourism businesses by providing insights into customer preferences and driving customer satisfaction. Through techniques like collaborative filtering, content-based filtering, and matrix factorization, the system combines multiple recommendation methods to create a hybrid approach. This hybridization ensures that the recommendations provided are highly accurate, diverse, and tailored to each individual traveler's unique interests and preferences. So now coming to the requirements part, we have two types of requirements, that is hardware requirements and software requirement. In hardware requirement, operating system as Windows is required, processor i5 and above, minimum 4 GB of RAM is required, hard disk 20 GB and above. Coming to the software requirement part, Python IDE that is 3.7 version is required. So now coming to the methodology part, first upload tourist dataset. The first step in the process is to upload the tourist dataset into the system. This dataset contains various information related to tourists, tourist places, and their experiences. It may include details such as tourist profiles, past ratings and reviews, preferences, and the services they have availed at different tourist destinations. Second, extract profiles, ratings, and service data. Once the tourist data is uploaded, the system proceeds to extract relevant information from the dataset. This involves extracting tourist profiles which describe the characteristics and preferences of individual tourists. Additionally, it collects past ratings and reviews provided by tourists for various tourist places, offering insights into the experience and satisfaction level. Third, content vector extraction. To process and analyze the extracted data effectively, the system employs content vector extraction techniques. This system involves transforming the various data points into numerical representations, creating content vector that capture the essential characteristics of each tourist place, and service. It facilitates efficient data processing and pattern recognition in the subsequent recommendation process. Fourth, run recommendation AI big data algorithm. With the content vectors prepared, the system runs a sophisticated recommendation AI big data algorithm. This algorithm leverages the power of artificial intelligence and big data analytics to analyze the content vectors, identify patterns, and discover correlations between tourist preferences, ratings, and the services they have availed at different tourist destinations. It aims to generate highly accurate and personalized recommendations based on these insights. Fifth, input your desired services for tourist place. As a user, you have the option to input your desired services or preferences for a specific tourist place. This input helps the system to understand your unique requirement and the tailor recommendations accordingly. By providing this information, you guide the recommendation engine towards suggesting tourist place and services that align within your interests and expectations. Sixth, predict recommendations. The final step involves the prediction of recommendations based on the input provided. The recommendation AI big data algorithm processes the content vectors of both the user's desired services and the existing tourist data. It then predicts and generates personalized recommendations for tourist places and services that best match the user's preferences and interests. So now coming to the execution part. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. So here we have a folder named as dataset. In this we are containing some dataset files. And this is the main Python file which is containing the Python script in it. And here this is the run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created Windows bat file to execute the project. Now to run the project, double click on run.bat file to execute the project. So here this is the graphical user interface. With this we are interacting with the program. Now click on upload to this dataset button to upload the dataset. And here I am selecting this dataset. And so now click on open over here. So here on this screen you can see that the dataset has been loaded over here. And now click on extract profiles, ratings and service data button to extract all details from dataset and then calculate sentiments for each review as positive, negative or neutral. So now here again click on upload to this dataset button and select restaurant reviews button dataset and now click on open button over here. So now you can see over here the dataset has been loaded. Now click on extract profiles, ratings and service data button. So now here on this screen we extract all details from dataset, and on this screen in selected text you can read username and given ratings and a sentiment or location and then displaying his review. So you can scroll down text area to view all reviews over here. And each review first line you can see username, location and ratings. Now dataset is ready, and for converting above dataset to content base vector by clicking on content vector extraction button. So here you can see we build vector from dataset and we took each word from dataset and put in vector header, and if word appear in any row and then its count will be put in row, else 0 will be put in vector. Each count average will be calculated and added to vector, and after building vector we are displaying total profiles, and the total profiles used to train artificial intelligence algorithm and total profile used to test algorithm. And now you can see that the vector is ready. So now click on run recommendation AI big data algorithm button to build AI model. So now here on this screen you can see that in the AI the accuracy is from 0 to 1, and on this screen we got 98% accuracy, and now AI model is ready, and now new user can enter his desired services. Then AI will predict and recommend places based on his desired services. So now here in text field I enter desired services as good place with quality food. So I'll have to enter over here that good place with quality food. And now click on predict recommendation button to recommend places to new user based on given desired services. So here on this screen we can see list of recommended places with different ratings, and similarly you can enter any services, then application will match with other user details to make collaborative recommendation, and if desired service is not found, an application will give error result. So now coming to the conclusion part. In conclusion, the hybrid recommender system for tourism based on big data and AI, a conceptual framework, holds immense potential to transform the tourism landscape by creating tailored and exceptional travel experiences. As the tourism industry embraces the power of data-driven insights and AI-driven algorithms, this framework stands at the forefront of providing an enhanced, engaging and fulfilling travel journey for tourists, fostering a vibrant and dynamic tourism ecosystem for the future. The hybrid approach encompassing collaborative filtering, content-based filtering, and matrix factorization further ensures that the system offers diverse and precise recommendations, enhancing user satisfaction and engagement.
For updates on latest project videos, Please visit True Project's YouTube channel and subscribe.